Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about supply, what I'm using for my painting. I like watercolor a lot. I purchased these books, watercolor books. I like them. You can see them in my videos. This one is new. Okay, very heavy paper here, and it's kind of very nice. I like it so much. Okay, it's 76 pages, but I'm just using one side all the time. I have elastic over here too. Perfect. Okay, and I'm using this watercolor paints from Art Whale. They have 48 colors. I show them all the time over here. Okay, very beautiful colors. I'm very happy with this set. My crazy bird is jumping in a cage. Okay, for brushes I'm using Artigria. There's a couple of them, I forgot how many, was it 5 or 6 in a set. This is Real Squirrel brush, and this one is a pony brush. It's from Ukraine, by the way. For the liners I'm using Faber-Castells, different thicknesses. And for the white one I like Artistro paint. With Faber-Castell also I'm using like as eraser over here to erase the pencil marks. Also I create the book with samples of the colors. Over here there's my watercolors, kind of confusing too. Yes, 48. Okay, I made with my handmade paper. I have also metallic paints and other paints as well. Okay, see this? Okay. Using masking fluid from Winsor & Newton. I also made my own, ceramic water holder, and my porcelain palette I made myself because I'm working with porcelain and clay. It's very easy. Not long ago I bought metallic markers. I want to try them so badly. I even didn't open it yet. Maybe open it, I don't know. From Winsor & Newton, silver and gold. I want to try it. There's 2 tips. It's supposed to be like 2 sides, I guess. Let me see. Oh, it's difficult to remove. Gosh. Okay, supposed to be one side. Okay, very thin one. And the second one. Oh wow, huge one. Okay, good. I try nothing to try it on. I want to try it. Gold, kind of very yellow, greenish. I don't know about that. Okay. And also I bought some Ohuhu markers, 120 colors, just for some details. So many colors, just look at this. Now get very confusing, but it's very nice. They have names on each one and numbers, otherwise you will never know what to search for. Over here there was a chart, color chart, can use it. And I also paint my own. They have these blanks and I painted. It was very beautiful. I don't know what I will do with it. But I guess I will use some to make interesting colorful walk, maybe abstracts or something else. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. I love to buy new supply. Yeah, it's very lovely. And that's it for today. Thank you for your subscribing and especially for lovely comments. I hope you like my channel and enjoy. Just let me know. It's always interesting to know what you guys think about my art. Also, I have a website, so you can check it too, and you can purchase prints from me. And I wish you a great day. See you next video. Bye bye.